Hi there, I'm Michele Renee, and I'm about to show you everything that you get with the Angelic Talisman Workshop. As soon as you purchase, you will be given instant access to this amazing system. So let's open up the hood and take a look inside. First, you'll see a welcome orientation video, and the navigation for the modules are on the left. The first episode is about moon magic. This module will uncover exactly which angel is your moon angel, the basics of moon magic, and more. Next, I jump into a talisman. The first one is the invoking tablet of the moon. This has inspiring imagery that exudes power and influence. The purpose of crafting this specific angelic talisman is to bring forth the increase of anything and everything desirable into your life. It can be fashioned to bring about the birth of a new project, a new career, a new business, or any new endeavor. Use your vivid, lucid imagination to create a whole new reality. Next up is the vanishing square of the moon. This marvelous mechanism may appear quite simple in design, but don't let that mislead you. This enforcer is extremely effective in producing a profound desired result. The influence of the cube is harnessed for dissipating poverty, illness, or troubles of any kind. The vanishing square of the moon is constructed on the night after a full moon. So as the moon wanes and diminishes, so does the adversity that you choose to be gone from your life. You will be stunned and amazed. This is absolutely supernatural. Next up is the lunar blessing square. It may be used to obtain furnishings or anything that you need for your home. Then after that, I present the Shield of the Warrior Angel. It is strategically designed to overcome enemies, stalkers, and interlopers. It provides protection from enemies, and it makes one victorious over them. This square can also be utilized to distinguish between fake friends and real friends. Free yourself from energy vampires. Let's jump back inside. Next up is the mirror of the mind. This magnificent encoded grid brings fluency of thought, speech, or writing. It improves the mental faculties of concentration, memory retention, and recall. It is of great use when preparing and studying for tests and examinations. The mirror of the mind also augments creative writing and verbal skills. Then after that, I present to you the Wheel of Sachet. This inspirational exercise is to attain divine justice. This wheel of good fortune can also generate monetary increase. It is of great assistance when finding a better job, obtaining a salary raise, a promotion, and is excellent for increasing business and collecting money owed to you. Ask the angels to bring you opportunities to help you make more money, and they will move mountains for you. Now following that, we have the Wheel of Handheld. Its function is to increase love and deepen affection between friends, partners, lovers, or relatives. Ask the Holy Archangels to bring you an affectionate, responsible, unnamed lover, and the perfect person for your current stage of growth and needs will magically appear in your life. Now next up is the thunderbolt. This is a catalyst of tremendous power and great magical force. It is very powerful and extremely effective. You must be prepared for sudden and unexpected upheavals in your life, or do not use it. The thunderbolt removes unwanted obstacles and stubborn blockages from your path. This executor is so powerful that it can only be wielded once per year. And if used wrongly, its power can turn against you. So use wisely. So let's keep it moving. Next we have the crown of resplendence. Devote to doing this decadent activity. It will be well worth your time and well worth your energy. The crown of resplendence does and will raise the bar of any situation. Now back inside, next up is the lamp of discovery. This wondrous gem reveals the truth about any situation, person, or information received. You'll be given evidence that reveals the facts crystal clearly. Clarity is power. The lamp of discovery also exposes real news from fake news. Next, we have the light protection chart. This holy angelic protection extends to all levels within the constraints of karma. It protects the soul from fear. It protects the mind from damage. And it protects the body from harm. And now that brings us to the next module, which is a very powerful yet peaceful light body meditation. And as an added bonus, you get the angelic sacred scripts from the Angelic Communion Workshop. So as you can see, this is a very unique, super fun workshop with highly engaging activities that are fiercely effective. I walk you through how to design and how to transmit these magical codes. I also provide actual demonstrations. All of this in this workshop. This 15-module system is designed to bring results that are in synchronicity with angels. These angelic talismans also work on a subliminal level. By the time you complete my home study course, you will be able to direct energies towards forming the outcomes and the results that you desire. You will also be able to connect and communicate with angels at will, on demand. You will quickly master manifesting, and soon you will be manifesting with great success, far better than 90% of the spiritual gurus out there. So let's jump back inside. Now over here on the right, you can click and email us for support. We will respond to you with any questions that you may have. You can also click right here and join our Facebook group. And just below is a free quantum transformation meditation that you can listen to anytime that you want. So there you have it. That's everything included in this workshop. As soon as you sign up, you will be given instant access. So go ahead, sign up now. Don't wait. I'm super excited to see you inside the membership area so I can speak with you more. Have a brightly blessed day. I'm sending you peace, love, and light.